Ever since I learned about King Nebuchadnezzar's hanging gardens of Babylon, I've been fascinated with green walls and vertical gardens. And when you see what I've got for you now, folks, I'm sure you will be too. Back in Babylon, around 500 BC, Nebuchadnezzar did things on a very large scale with an army of workers, no doubt highly motivated by the sight of the whip in his hand. You can imagine how they laughed at the idea of an 18-hour day of hard labour. These days, you can get a similar look with an easy-to-install DIY kit. The Holman Connect-A-Pot can be assembled to any design of your choice and imagination in any outdoor space. Use the spirit level to make sure that your brackets, your screws and your pots are level, otherwise it'll look ordinary. A cordless drill makes for an easy, fast installation using these brackets that get screwed to the wall. You can come up with a funky layout or go for the more traditional green wall block and let the plants do the talking. To stop the potting mix from blocking the drainage hole there's this clever piece of mesh that just sits inside, and then you put your mix and your plant on top, and I tell you what, I bet you Nebuchadnezzar didn't have anything fancy like this. I'm using a good quality potting mix to plant out the pots and then clipping them onto the brackets until they're all done. Too easy. The beauty of this system, being modular, is that you can just keep on adding more and more pots, and if you're really keen, you could give old Nebuchadnezzar's hanging gardens a run for their money. Regular water is essential for these green walls, and the pots include clips if you want to install an irrigation system.